Hey guys, how are y'all doing today? Yeah. Today we are going to pick up trash in our neighborhood. We're going to go count that when we get home. Before you have any great adventure outdoor, make sure you put bug spray on yourself and the kids. More bug spray. Let me see. See, that's why we're picking up trash for the environment, for animals and critters. If you're enjoying our video, please do us a big favor and hit that like. That's somebody's food box, like for French fries. Oh look, there's one buried. Somebody's candy bar paper. You get bigger and you're driving your car, are you going to put trash out the window? No, because then why? Because it'll look like this and somebody else will have to come pick it up. Bad for the animals could choke on the straws or they could choke on the plastic and it can hurt them. So if you teach your kids while they're young not to litter, they'll grow up to be non-litterers. Is that the word? They won't be litterers. They'll grow up respecting the environment and not disrespecting it. By being a teenager and chunking out plastic out the window, or an adult, they'll think about it and be like, I remember when I was a kid growing up, we always picked up all the trash. If we keep doing this and keep instilling these values, then our kids will pass these on to their kids and we'll have a whole world of trash picker-uppers. Is that the right word? Trash picker-uppers? Roar, stomping, walking through the jungle, walking through the jungle. Say, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. There's a tiger. Roar. Good job. These are my Help It boys. I got some Help It boys. Gotta watch out for snakes.
What is that?
Oh my God! Yes! Wow, what a much money that is! What's this? Yeah!
Bunch of change.
That is a bunch of change. Hey, look at this. I can't believe we found some change. Made us some money. I know. Somebody made us some money. Bubbles! We got bubbles too. Bubbles? Oh, let me see them. I know! You want to keep this? Yeah, we're going to keep it. I'm so excited. I mean, yeah, it could have been more money. I would have loved to find a $100 bill, but we'll take some change. Yeah. Yeah. I found a yard. Okay.
These are people's.
Yeah, thank you, whoever left their money. I found a yard sign that was for my garden, brand new in the ditch the other day. And I hung it up, it's brand new. I was pretty excited about that. Just keep cleaning, okay? Well, look, yes, that's yours now. I know, we're trying to teach you some values. I know you don't want to pick it up. I have things else I could be doing besides picking up trash too. You stay by me. There's a lot of things that we could be doing besides picking up trash, but somebody needs to do it. Somebody needs to make sure the environment is taken care of. And if that means we do our street, then that's just what we do. And if everybody would do their own street, then man, the whole town would be nice. If everybody would pick up trash in their neighborhood, every area would be really nice look. One person would pick up trash in the neighborhood. You could have a whole neighborhood clean. You have all across the states would be clean if people would start picking stuff up. I know. We're gonna go count that when we get home. At least like $6, and then I found $1, and then I found some bubbles for Jet. Can't forget the bubbles. I think Jet's really excited about this change though. He's like, I'm rich, yay!